For this video, I want to point out something very strange. So, when we were in town getting some business done, I saw this object and I heard it coming upon us. But when I tried to record it, it blurred. My phone blurred and kept messing up. Now you'll hear it. It sounds like a helicopter or drone, but it was green, kind of like, it was almost like a bug, really. Listen and watch this. Now, let me try to stop it properly. The parts of this object don't even look attached. It doesn't look, I mean, it looks like a face, but a frowny face. It was very strange. It was very strange. I really don't know how to describe it, but it was more insect-like than any flying object that I've witnessed. And it would unfocus. It would blur every time I tried to zoom into it. But you can see how much it looks like an insect. And it's almost like it tried to blur itself constantly. That looks like some sort of insect. Now, I'm not jumping to any conclusions or anything, but it makes me think of... It reminds me a lot of the giant locusts in Revelation, but that's not what these are, obviously. But it's some kind of something from... It reminds you of a helicopter or drone, but it made me think of some kind of giant insect. Obviously, it's got a helicopter propeller. Maybe it's something trying to disguise itself as a helicopter. But I know I could not focus. I could not focus on this object at all. My phone wouldn't focus on it. But it does look insect-like. It's really interesting that this is such an insect-looking object. Let's see if I can pause it just right. Okay. So, that's the object. This is the object. The way it's designed does not really even make any sense, to be honest. I mean, it's like a small tail behind some sort of an extended object, like a I would say a rear wing, but it doesn't exactly look like a rear wing. That's the best I could get. Looks like some sort of a face. It was a very strange object. And I just thought I would document it.